Many people would agree that few things feel better than the warmth of natural sunlight. Installing skylights in a home or workspace is a practical way to create a more open feel to any room. By introducing natural light, one can increase energy efficiency, provide a more pleasant living environment, and introduce fresh air if choosing an opening skylight model. The result is an architectural feature that can provide many dividends. In our project home, Velux roof windows have been used on the sloping portion of the roof to introduce light over the stairwell and to accentuate the vaulted ceiling feature. This quality unit features tempered low-E glass, which provides a high level of thermal efficiency while reducing UV rays. These premium quality skylights come with integral roof flashing kits and feature options such as internal manual or powered blinds and electric opening features with rain sensors. Their low-profile design suits both modern and traditional architecture. Over the front entranceway, a curb-mounted acrylic skylight has been installed over a curb on top of this flat roof portion of the house. Highly suited for flat roofing applications, these units bathe light over this entrance area and increase the visual size of the entryway. This high-quality metal-framed unit features double-domed clear lenses for thermal efficiency. Bathrooms, laundry areas, kitchens, bedrooms, offices, and exercise rooms are areas which are often requested by clients who want to dramatically increase the brightness of a space without getting into extensive home renovations or costly window replacements. As a certified installer of quality products like Velux roof windows and Slimlight skylights, visit AvenueRoadRoofing.com to learn more. Since 1974, Avenue Road Roofing has supplied comprehensive skylight, roofing, and related exterior services.